Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Dol Education Assam. আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিম দশম শ্ৰেণীৰ ইংলিছ কবিতাটো ইংলিছ চেপ্টাৰটোৰ দ্য টেল অফ কাষ্টাৰ্ড দ্য ড্ৰাগনৰ কুৱেশ্যন আনসাৰ। গতিকে ভিডিঅ'টো শেষলৈ চাবা আৰু এই নোটছবিলাক লিখি ৰাখিবা। ইয়াৰ পৰাই কমন পৰিবই। গতিকে আহা ভিডিঅ'টো আমি আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1, হু mourned over the death of the pirate? A. Blink. B. Custard. C. Ink. D. None. The right answer D. None. Next question. What did the dragon cry for? A. Because he was hurt. B. For a new mouse. C. For a nice safe case. D. None of the above. The right answer C. For a nice safe case. Next question. Who was called cowardly? A. Blink. B. Custard. C. Ink. D. Rather. Right answer B. Custard. Next question. Who was Mustard? A. Belinda's little yellow rat. B. Belinda's little yellow mouse. C. Belinda's little yellow dog. D. Belinda's little grey dragon. The right answer C. Belinda's little yellow dog. Next question. Where did Belinda live? A. In a little white house. B. In a little yellow house. C. In a little grey house. D. In a little pink house. The right answer A. In a little white house. Next question. What did Custard do the pirate? A. Ate him. B. Scared him away. C. Held him hostage. D. None of these. Right answer A. Ate him. Next question. Who did Belinda used to tease? A. Kitten. B. Mouse. C. Dragon. D. Dog. Right answer C. Dragon. What all does the dragon possess? A. Big sharp teeth. B. Spikes on top of him. C. Sharp toes. D. All of the above. Right answer D. All of the above. Next question. Who is described as the most timid of all? A. Kitten. B. Mouse. C. Dragon. D. Dog. Right answer C. Dragon.